Samara, my love, I made breakfast. It's eggs on brioche bun for you with a caramel latte. I hope you enjoy. You gonna get up?
Yeah, after now. Right, I'll be out in 2 minutes.
Okay, Mrs. Jensen.
Hello, my lovelies, and welcome back to Complicatedly Simple. This is the 4th day of our camping, and we're gonna sort of romanticize it today, and we're gonna stay in the tent for this morning because we were watching a movie last night which we didn't finish, and I actually woke up with a little bit of a headache.
Hello, welcome.
Yeah. Hello, I'm back. It turns out, well, I fell asleep because I sleep a lot. Neil has made me and himself, of course, really nice, lovely breakfast, and I get to have brioche bun and latte. This is my breakfast with what's in it, Neil?
Egg.
Oh, chili flakes as well.
A couple of chili flakes.
Really
Just to
nice.
spice it up.
And this is my husband.
Do you really have to show me? I don't want to be shown.
It's going to be.
No.
Okay, we're going to enjoy our breakfast now. So, he's annoyed by me vlogging all day. Anyways, so Neil and I decided we're gonna go for a little walk, and I'll show you how gorgeous the walk is going to be. Look at that. 1 second, please. Go.
I thought you were waiting on me.
All right. Sorry. Right. Okay, so I don't know how it. Oh yeah, it happens like this. So, if you look at that, gorgeous. Bye bye, black sheep. Have you any wool? Oh, never mind. Let's go. That's where we are walking. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit to that mountain. I can hear the water. Riverbed is pretty dry. Am I okay to go in there?
Yeah, go down. I don't see any flash flood coming.
So, yeah, it's like nothing left.
It's trickling this way, so it's coming downstream. But
Don't go in there.
well, I'm just showing for you guys. But yeah, you can practically just walk across the riverbed. It's pretty dry.
Ah, it is indeed. I think it's all dry.
So normally I'm guessing that this would be like, just properly going for it. But
Yeah. Do you want to walk on? Do you want to walk that way?
we should
Okay.
stick to the path.
Yeah, it's dangerous. There are two routes. Neil think we should go that way, but this looks more interesting to me because they have got the wooden path there. I want to check it out. Okay, are we okay to go that way, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. So which way does this lead to? I don't know.
We don't know. It's I suspect that sort of heads towards the inn, the only like bit of civilization around here.
Yeah.
And I think this way probably heads towards the hills. I think.
Let's find out. Look at how gorgeous this area is. Would you consider living here?
I'd love it, but you need a form of living. You need an income somehow out here, and I don't know how.
We can do farming.
Yeah, that's too strenuous.
We can be shepherds.
No.
Right, Look how tiny it is, and they've got blackberries here. So can live off it. Sour. Very nice. There are loads more here.
Let's get a close up.
Oh, it's got like fungi on it. Right here.
Yeah, that one's going off. Maybe choose one of these ones up here. It's a bit unripe, that one.
I prefer the right one.
No wonder you like the sour bitterness on that.
It's sweet and sour both. All dried up. Is it due to climate change? Look at him. Selfie master. Someone's hungry. I found a bear picking up the berries. So we walked all the way from there to all the way here, and we continuously walking in the jungle. Oh, it's not a jungle, but you know what I mean. Look at this tree fell off.
Okay, come on, Mom.
It's the root it fell from. So
It's been derooted.
yeah, but still alive. Look at that.
Still doing okay.
Found a bridge. Which way are we going? The bridge.
That way's up Scott, I think.
Yeah, this is where you go up the hill, but we're not gonna do that. There's no challenge happening, so we're gonna walk across there. We're walking across. I'm gonna keep it in the video. We're walking across this smelly field of sheep. Very nice but smelly. Nee, look, you and I over there.
So not cool. Jump to the end.
So we are aiming to get to this inn, and right now we are here to this open field in front of the hill. A gorgeous hill. So we've got a Wi-Fi here, and as you can see, someone's busy with his phone. Someone who complains about me being on my phone vlogging all the time. So yep. So we are here buying ice cream in a really nice little shop. Look at the difference between ice cream. This is mine and this is his. Look at that. So we had our ice cream, we had a lovely walk, we had a really nice relaxing day today again, and we're gonna calling it a day, and we're gonna head to our campsite and chill. I had a lovely day so far. The sun's out, burnt my nose already. Anyways, until I see you in my next video, please like, subscribe and share my videos with your family and friends. I could do with more subscribers. And until I see you next time, look after yourself. Bye bye.